Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to up your game in the world of photography, design, or any other creative pursuit, you're in the right place. And hey, before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special discount on CreativeLive. All right, let's get into it. So, what is CreativeLive? Think of it as the Hogwarts for creatives, minus the magical creatures and British accents. It's an online learning platform where you can learn from the best in the biz. Whether it's photography, videography, design, or even business, CreativeLive has got you covered. First up, let's talk about the instructors. We're not dealing with your average YouTube tutorial creators here. These are industry professionals. We're talking Pulitzer Prize winners, Grammy winners, and TED Talk speakers. It's like getting a masterclass from the Michael Jordan of whatever field you're into. Now, the classes, they are top-notch. You get everything from live interactive sessions to on-demand videos you can binge watch like your favorite Netflix series. Plus, the production quality, it's like watching a blockbuster movie. But instead of explosions, you get mind-blowing creativity tips. But wait, is it all just rainbows and unicorns? Well, not exactly. The biggest downside? It can be a bit pricey. Think of it like investing in a high-quality camera. Pricey up front, but totally worth it in the long run. One cool thing I love? You can buy individual classes if you're not ready to commit to a full subscription. So, if you're just looking to master Photoshop or learn the secrets of Instagram marketing, you can do that without breaking the bank. Oh, and did I mention the community? Being surrounded by like-minded creatives can be super motivating. It's like having a virtual artist's commune without the questionable hygiene. You can share your work, get feedback, and even collaborate on projects. So, is CreativeLive worth it? If you're serious about taking your creative skills to the next level, absolutely. It's like having a creative mentor available 24/7. All right, folks, that's my 2 cents on CreativeLive. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your special discount. And hey, why not hit that like button and subscribe while you're at it? Stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.